The hidden danger of myopia for people who like sports and training. With myopia, the eyeball is under pressure due to spasmodic oblique eye muscles of the eyes. The shape of the eyeball is elongated and small blood vessels and capillaries are squeezed by eye muscles. As a result, blood flow and regeneration are worse. The retina in the myopic eye is under pressure all the time without proper recovery when the eyeball is spherical, like it's supposed to be. It is like having a hand all the time bent at the biceps and under tension. During hard workouts, retinal detachment can happen. It's necessary to get rid of eye muscle spasm, to get rid of pressure on the eyeballs, and to get clear vision. It is difficult to explain in one video the full process of natural vision improvement. If you want a more in-depth, step-by-step course to improve your eyesight naturally, Eyesight Academy consists of 8 modules starting from mindset, recognizing bad habits of poor eyesight and eliminating them, and includes the best possible daily eye exercises from beginner to advanced level. The link will be in the description below.